Tourism Finance Corporation of India or TFCI, helping tourism grow.
Tourism Finance Corporation of India Limited (TFCI) is a premier financial institution set up in 1989 funding hospitality segment, hospitals, educational institutes, social infrastructure, manufacturing, affordable housing, NBFC, and other well-established corporate entities. TFCI has initiated various CSR initiatives supporting the skill development, education, healthcare, sports, plantation, solar power plant, food distribution, drinking water and sanitation, setting up homes and hostels for orphans, family grants for armed forces veterans, women empowerment and animal welfare, etc. In addition, TFCI has also been contributing in the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund and PM CARES Fund. TFCI, through its Environmental Sustainability Program, has supported plantation of more than 5,000 plants in a Solabhati Wildlife Sanctuary in Delhi NCR, supports green cover expansion through afforestation in Uttarakhand, and installed solar street lights in slums of Delhi, solar power plant at Asha Kiran School, Raigarh, Maharashtra, and solar power plant at Utkarsha Learning Center for HIV-infected orphans, children at Belagavi, Karnataka. TFCI has supported athlete training program for 5 national-level athletes and badminton girl player. The sportspersons have won various marathons or tournaments at national or international levels. Further, TFCI supported the training of national team members of speed skating for Special Olympics World Winter Games. These skating athletes won 3 silver medals and 1 bronze medal in speed skating event at the Special Olympics World Winter Games in Italy. Special Olympics Bharat National President Dr. Malika Nada congratulated the athletes for their amazing performance in the speed skating event. She has acknowledged contribution of TFCI CSR for supporting the speed skating athletes. TFCI has supported Information and Communication Technology Skills Development Program for needy or underprivileged children in Tughlakabad village, New Delhi, and empowered youths through training and employment in the hospitality sector. TFCI has also supported midday meal program to feed 300 school children in Delhi and school meal program to feed 100 slum children getting formal education in Faridabad. TFCI provided learning opportunities for children of rag pickers in New Simapuri slum cluster in northeast Delhi by supporting Chowkimen Pathshala upgrade and digitalize of the existing system of education and record keeping by procuring an installation of computers, printers, scanner and projectors at Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapith, West Bengal, supporting 31 teacher 1 school called Ekal Vidyalaya in rural villages of India, and support towards education, health and malnutrition for the residential children of Sai Kripa Balkutir, Noida. TFCI supported the Divyang to stand at their own feet by distributing 100 artificial limbs to the needy people, and also provided therapy equipment for special needs children are studying in the Holy Heart Special School in Delhi, create awareness on prevention, treatment, recovery and longevity for cancer through early detection drive, nutrition and yoga camps, and supported by procuring wigs, confidence bags, stoma bags, etc. TFCI also provided colostomy bags and medical supplies for underprivileged children at Safdarjung Hospital requiring colostomy surgery, ensuring their dignity, health and well-being. Procured medical devices, medicines and surgical supplies for Ganga Prem Hospice, Rishikesh, providing end-of-life care of cancer patient, and for mental health care, supported listening post and awareness program through radio campaigns and social media for the needy people. TFCI has also supported the program for cleaning of the sea beach and other tourist attractions in Puri, Odisha. Further, water coolers were installed in Ayodhya, Vrindavan and Gandhi Darshan, New Delhi to provide safe drinking water for general public and tourists. TFCI has also supported Ruchika Social Service Organization for construction of new residential block of open shelter for orphaned and abandoned children in need of care and protection at Bhubaneswar, and Army Wives Welfare Association to support grants or benefits for the armed forces, veterans, war widows and their dependents. TFCI has supported women empowerment women through various skill development training. TFCI supported various initiatives for feeding and medical care of stray dogs and small animals, and supported for the crematorium and refrigerated mortuary boxes for stray and small animals.